America 737 project. Happy to start this new project with you guys. And well, there's a lot I've been doing couple last weeks, and I want to start sharing it on video. I'm sorry if the quality might not be the best one as of right now, but everything will get together, and hopefully will look a little bit better in the future. So just want to let you guys know my idea is to build a flight simulator as closer to the reality as possible, looking like the real thing, and on the behavior part also acting as the real thing. And most of the time I will try to do everything by myself, in rather than buying stuff that is already done. But when I get to a point where a certain part I cannot build, or I cannot get it done by myself, if I have to, of course I will try to get something pre-built from some source that will be working already. But hopefully it will be as much as homemade as possible. And as of right now, I've been working on the EFIS panel for a little bit, and I want to start sharing with you guys what I've got so far and what I've done so far. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you guys like this video. Okay, first I want to show you guys what I've got so far, and with my good friend and provider here from Navcom Simulations. And here I've got my MCP panel, one of the EFIS panel, and I've got another EFIS panel here, and some of the buttons. And I want to show you how this is looking like. This is a very good quality stuff, and I really like it. There you can see that's my EFI panels right there, and hope you guys can see properly in there. These are three layers already here, and I'll show you, I'll break it down, and because I've been working on these already for a couple weeks, and I still got some pictures of these different layers all apart, so you can see how it looks like. But it's three layers here: main one, back plate, and then this clear one, which I used to put the tactile switches on it. You kind of can see over there, not really clear, and it works pretty good for me like that. Let me show you here. Okay, that's the EFIS panels right there. It's all backlit ready. So if we put some light on it, you will see how everything changes and it's backlit ready. Okay, and these come in this shape that I want to show you here. And sorry for the shaky video, and it's gonna get better on the way, but bear with me for now. And this is how it looks like. There you go. This is a different version of the EFIS panel actually. This is the first version that I've received, and I haven't worked on this one. This other one that I have here is actually an updated version, and there are just a few improvement in design, and it's really working for me. And again, I want to thank my friend from Navcom Simulations. Really helpful, and every time I've needed something, they really helped me. And it's about the same thing if you look at it like that. Well, probably looks different because of the buttons and switches and stuff, but it's about the same thing. It's just basically have an updated shape here, which works better. And the design, this one comes in only two layers, and that one comes with three different layers. And you can kind of see that this is two layers in one already, but it's factory like that. And being now on this updated version actually give some advances and advantage, but you'll see while I'll keep working on this. And let me show you guys the MCP panel, and I also have two different panel here. It's a long story that's to what happened. I received one first and got some issues with the mail people, and I have to get another one. But this is a 3-layer as well, and as you can see here, looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay, it all comes with a backlit ready. Okay, as you can see, and they put it here, it changed. There we go. Hope you guys can see that. I'm not really sure. Again, bear with me. This is the first video, and we're gonna work on it and get it better in time. And there you go. So those are the 3 layers, just like in the EFIS panel. And so we get the front plate, a back plate, and then we've got this acrylic plate one, which is the last one, and it is pretend to support all the switches. As you can see here, it's already pre-cut, some sort of a laser or CNC pre-cut, and you can put your switches here. Okay, and then we put it back together. There we go. And we get a very good looking and professional looking, as to my opinion, MCP panel. Well, let me use this moment to tell you guys the idea behind this simulator is going to be to build everything as much as handmade as possible, but also keeping the realism fact as a priority. So everything is going to be handmade as much as possible, but working as real and as close to reality as possible as well. So if at some point there is a piece where I get stuck to, I will jump to an original one or a pre-made from some other company. But as of right now, the idea is to build everything by myself. I will do the software and I'll do the electronics and have it linked to Flight Simulator, and that's pretty much the way I want to do it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm getting these panels from my friend from Navcom Simulations, and then I'm gonna build other circuits, and I'll do all the electronic part and the interface and all the software to provide an interface and communication in between this hardware and the Flight Simulator. And I've been doing some tests for several weeks already, and it's been working so far, the electronic parts and the software. And this project has been delayed already a little bit, but hopefully we're gonna make it work now. And I'm gonna want to show you this as well. I just received this, got here today, and let me show you guys. It's really hard to open stuff with only one hand, but bear with me. Let's see if I can get it open. There you go. Okay, and I just received this one today. That's an 60 feet LED stripe, and very, very nice light. This one is white coal light, and let me see if I can show you here how it looks like. So on the back, it already has a 3M stick on it, so you can just take it to wherever you're gonna use it. And this is the way it comes. Really nice stuff. It's already design so that you can cut it. You can see it right there. I'm really sorry because of my shaky video, guys. Again, bear with me. For the next one, I've got another camera and a tripod. I guess it's gonna be way much better if I do it with that. But this is gonna be just for this one. So right there, you can see you can cut here, and then you just put your wires on it once you've cut it, and that's it. It looks really nice when it's working, I can tell you guys. And so what I'm gonna do with this, as of right now, I want to get done with this FS panel. I've been working for a while on it, and I really want to finish it up. So I'm gonna have another piece of plate that I'm gonna do myself. It's gonna be some sort of MDF plate, and I'm gonna put it in here about an inch distance from here, so I can get the good lighting spread all over the place. So, and then I'm gonna have all the backlighting in there going to the dimmer, and right after that plate is gonna be the rotary switches going through here. There you go. And the knobs for this I'm still working on, and a couple ideas on how to get all of those knobs. And I'm also thinking of getting myself a 3D printer to 3D print my knobs, but I've got some sources I can get it from, and I'll get back with that. But as of right now, I just want to finish up with the backlight and the rotary switches, and once I've got everything done, last thing is going to be the knobs. But let's see how that turns out, and I'll get back to you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the America 737 project.